Racing Jazzy started. We have tailwind break quickly at the start. Boy is down on the inside. Gray Angel. Subaru comes next. Makisig. And on the outside now is the chosen one. Then next online is Frozen Margarita. Don't explain Boogie. Wonderland Small Town Lady. Big Bang Bong Flowing Casual Majestic is the early trailer. And as they swing down the back, we have Tailwind by about 3/4 of a length lead. Okoboy in second, and on the outside is Gray Angel. Subaru comes next, Frozen Margarita. In the middle portion, Makisig, Don't Explain Boogie. Wonderland, the chosen one, Small Town Lady comes next. Then next on that is Big Bang Bong. Then followed over by Flowing Casual Majestic. Still racing in 13th. And at the far turn, two runners now fighting it out for the lead. Okoboy is on the outside. Tailwind is down on the inside. Gray Angel still in third. Moving up now on the outside is Makisig. Then next on line is Frozen Margarita as they swing for home. Tailwind by about 2 lengths. Okoboy in second. Gray Angel. Makisig comes next with about 75 meters of the race. We have Tailwind followed by Okoboy. And finally it's Tailwind. Okoboy, Don't Explain. Then comes Makisig, Gray Angel, and the chosen one.